From AI to fintech, women in the UAE aren't just participating, they're leading bold new companies. In a world where gender gaps in tech still run wide, Dubai isn't waiting. It's building what many others are still debating. Today, 56% of STEM graduates in the UAE are women. 30% of the tech workforce is female, and women now hold 11% of tech boardroom seats. This isn't just progress, it's a decisive shift in who's shaping the future. Dubai's momentum isn't a coincidence. It's a result of consistent, intentional action. Initiatives like Dubai Future District Fund, DIFC's Women in Fintech initiative, and Dubai Chamber's support for female entrepreneurs give women real access to funding and global markets. Dr. Adnan Chilwan, Group CEO of Dubai Islamic Bank, said, "We are proud to be the exclusive sponsor of Accelerate Her, an initiative that aligns with our commitment to empower and nurture the next generation of women leaders." Meanwhile, inclusive VCs like Global Ventures, VentureSouk, and Nuva Capital are shifting funding mindsets from symbolic inclusion to real participation. Across sectors, women are leading from the front. Ambreen Musa, now heading Revolut UAE, is helping scale one of the world's fastest growing fintech platforms in Dubai's thriving financial ecosystem. Meanwhile, Rana Hajira Suli's The Surplus is redefining sustainability through tech. As she emphasizes, waste is a mispriced asset. The key to closing the circularity gap is to financialize surplus materials, treating them like commodities rather than liabilities. Tanya Jajal's Aiden is steering AI ethics conversations globally. She reflects, if AI is doing all the work, how will kids learn to think for themselves? Stephanie Emile at Binance Dubai is pushing for Web3 growth and more women in crypto leadership. They're not symbolic founders, they're ecosystem builders. Capital flow is changing too, with more women not just raising capital but controlling where it goes. Angel investors like Veena Munganahali are backing women-led startups across fintech and health tech. VentureSouk, co-founded by Sonia Gokhale, is actively opening pathways for women fund managers and early-stage entrepreneurs across MENA. Gokhale has emphasized that building diverse investment teams is not just a social good but a financial imperative, reflecting on Dubai's ecosystem. She says it's one of the few places where women can truly live, lead, and build companies on their own terms. And this momentum isn't limited by borders. Dubai's India-MENA corridor is powering cross-border innovation, connecting female founders to markets, investors, and scaling opportunities across geographies. Dubai is turning regional ambition into global action through platforms like SEPA, BharatMart, and targeted trade facilitation. Today, women aren't just entering emerging tech, they're helping define it. From decentralized finance to ethical AI, Dubai's women leaders drive critical conversations, build ethical frameworks, and launch startups at the core of frontier innovation. Entrepreneurs like Tanya Jajal are leading the dialogue on responsible AI, while others are launching Web3 platforms, crypto compliance tools, and blockchain-based sustainability models. This momentum isn't happening in isolation. Dubai's regulatory clarity through entities like VARA is creating fertile ground for women to innovate without barriers. Whether it's shaping governance models in DeFi, contributing to AI safety standards, or building the next-gen tech stack, women are no longer joining the future of tech, they're architecting it. And Dubai is setting the global precedent for inclusive innovation. Dubai isn't just offering women seats at the table, it's letting them build the table. Here, ambition meets access, and innovation meets inclusion. In the new digital economy, women from Dubai aren't waiting for permission, they're designing what's next.